Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting off with our next set of sessions for the day. Before we do that, I would like to go ahead and introduce somebody who basically is the reason why we are all here and why this conference is taking place. He is TiE Mumbai's president and managing partner at DSK Legal. He has been listed as one of the leading lawyers in India in various national and international legal publications. It gives me immense pleasure and it's a privilege to share stage with him. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Anand Desai, TiE Mumbai president and managing partner at DSK Legal. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Desai. Afternoon, sir. Pleasure having you. Please.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you. It's great to see so many people interested in TiE, in entrepreneurship. We've got a pretty packed program for the next 2 days. We're looking at 2022 as an opportunity for all of us to look forward to what is going to be the trend, the business. So we have, as you've seen, sessions on IoT, AI, VR, and many other things. We were hoping to have Mr. Amitabh Kant with us for this session. It got a bit delayed because he's delayed in the other event he's come for. But we are trying to organize a Skype call with him tomorrow morning at 10. If the connection works, we look forward to having that. So sorry for the slight delay, but we had a bit of an adjustment issue because of that. I'd like to also acknowledge our sponsors. The name is up there. And without them, this would not have been possible, not without me, as was stated earlier. I'm sure all of you know about TiE, so I won't say much about TiE as an organization, except to say it's great to be part of it, to be part of the exciting environment. The government of India, as you know, is now looking at startups in a big way. The finance sector is looking at startups. Large corporates are looking at startups. And it's just extremely exciting as to what's going on. To kick off this two-day event, I'd like to invite the Bombay TiE board or TiE Mumbai board to light the lamp. I'd also like to request Mr. Kapoor, Deputy MD of SIDBI, and Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma of Paytm to join us. So just to introduce Dhanpal Jhaveri, Sanjay Mehta, and Vinod Keni on this side. Mr. Kapoor, Mr. Harish Mehta, Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Pradeep Udas, Parag Shah, and Amit Mukim. And Mr. Praveen Gandhi, one of our stalwarts who's been around for many, many years with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we kickstart the day with the lamp lighting ceremony.
So I hope all of you have a lot of fun in the next 2 days, meet lots of nice people, share lots of ideas, and all of us are around as hosts to help out in whatever way we can. So have a great time. Thank you.